So today we're reviewing Luxazora's 320L outdoor folding double-decker wagon, a folding utility wagon marketed for camping, beach trips, sports events, shopping, and outdoor use. The product is advertised as offering a large 320L capacity, a 440-pound weight limit, and all-terrain wheels at a heavily discounted price. But there are 4 things you need to know before spending your money on it. The first concern is the website's marketing tactics. Luxazora displays what appear to be massive discounts, with the wagon advertised as reduced from $132 to $29.99, alongside banners promoting up to 75% off store-wide. The site also uses countdown timers, limited stock warnings, and products supposedly flying off the shelves to create urgency. In addition, it prominently displays review scores and customer testimonials that are difficult to independently verify. The combination of potential fake discounts, questionable review claims, and aggressive urgency tactics raises concerns about whether the marketing accurately reflects the true value and popularity of the products. The second concern involves independent customer feedback. Trustpilot currently shows only 2 reviews for Luxazora, and both are rated 1 star. One reviewer claimed a $30 purchase resulted in an additional $350 charge, while another alleged an additional $700 was withdrawn after placing an order. These are customer allegations and do not prove wrongdoing, but they are serious complaints that potential buyers should consider. Now let's talk about the product itself. The 320L outdoor folding double-decker wagon sold on Luxazora appears highly similar to a folding utility wagon available through Alibaba suppliers. The product design, specifications, and overall presentation closely resemble wholesale listings commonly sold by manufacturers. This raises the possibility that the item is being sourced from a third-party supplier and resold under a different storefront brand. And finally, there is the payment concern. At checkout, Luxazora appears to offer only card payments and does not display alternative payment methods such as PayPal or other protected payment options. While card payments are common, they can also make it easier for unauthorized additional charges to occur, as one user has already alleged. This concern becomes more noticeable when combined with customer complaints claiming unexpected extra charges after making a purchase. So the bottom line is this: Luxazora uses aggressive discount and urgency marketing, has received serious negative complaints on Trustpilot, appears to sell products similar to wholesale listings, and offers limited payment options at checkout. Proceed with caution before spending your money.